with Humail. But don't forget to subscribe me and like my all videos. Do you know? Today lesson is N. Letter N. But do you know the sound of letter N? That is Say with me. Good. Say Now learn. Letter N is a grass letter. But why? Because it is written in two middle lines. Do you know how to write N? It's very easy. Oh yes! Now learn a story for letter N. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Making lot of noise. Yahoo! Now learn some words for N. Night. It's too dark. Necklace. Mama wants noodles. I like noodles. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nuggets. I love nuggets. Nuts. I like nuts. It's healthy. Note. Notebook. Keep a notebook in the bag and neat and clean. Nice. It's very nice. No. I have a notepad. Newspaper. I wanna read. Nail. Cat. Nice. Nurse. Oh yes. Now it's your time. Tell me some words from letter N. I hope you remember. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you learn a lot. But don't forget to subscribe me. Do like, share and comment. See you later. Bye bye.